this is Lana with Lana Belana Design, and welcome to my channel. Today we are playing with Hero Art's My Monthly Hero Kit for the month of November. There's a lot of cool goodies, and I am so actually glad to be back into creating more and more these days, and I've been meaning to do this for a long time. Now, let me tell you what I like to do with certain stamp sets or certain kits that I get, and this is a very cool idea for all of you out there who don't know what to do with certain kits once you get them, and this is what I like to do. So this idea came to me a while back, like probably I'd say at least like 5 to 6 years ago when I actually became a subscriber. And what I like to do, and this will help me get more out of my kits, I like to pick all the sentiments they're in the set and make my cards using these sentiments. So let's go with it. So I wrote all the sentiments down. There is exactly 7 sentiments. Now, 8th sentiment is optional, so we'll see how much time we have. But this means that I'm going to be making 7 to 8 cards. Now, what I like to do here is take these sentiments and draw a little images here or a map almost where it's going to help me determine what kind of card I'm going to make, what mediums I'm going to use, what kind of paper and such. So this is just so to speak, as I said, a mental map that'll help me move the process of creating much faster. And the very first card that we're going to start off is with some just basic stamping. And once all my stamping is done, I'm going to be coloring it with Copic markers. Now, the paper that I'm using is Nina Classic Crest Solar White 110-pound cardstock. And the ink that I'm using for stamping is Hero Art's Intense Black ink. Now, this ink is Copic friendly, and when you are using your Copic markers for coloring, please make sure to check your inks and make sure that they are Copic friendly. Otherwise, your inks are going to bleed into your colors, and you're not going to end up with good results. Next, assembly. I arranged my pieces after die cutting them, and I picked them up with press and seal, put some dimensional tape, and that's how I attached them to my card panel. I added a sentiment and put everything back on the card base, and the first card is done. Moving to card number 2, same thing. I am going to just do some basic stamping, basic coloring with Copics. This time I'm using XPress It Paper, and this is a very nice and smooth paper designed for Copic coloring. And next I just die cut my little piece here. I changed my mind and I colored in a little bit of that blue background. Next, I stamped sentiment, and this is the very first time that I used a dimensional glue. Now you'll see me here use it in just a few moments. This dimensional glue is perfect for little critters that you have. All you have to do is just to add this dimensional glue and let it sit for at least, I'd say, a few hours. Like, I like to keep it overnight, that way it sets and it dries properly. But this is also very cool to use instead of using the foam tape, and added some glossy accents, and the card was done.
Next, I am moving to a third card, and again, this is going to be some basic stamping and then basic coloring with Copics. Again, the paper that I'm using is XPress It Paper, and that's pretty much it. And another thing what I wanted to tell you is that the rest of the cards are also going to have all these techniques: basic coloring, basic stamping, and all of them are going to be made with XPress It paper. And of course, the ink for stamping that I used is Hero Arts Intense Black ink. But one thing that I really realize works so much better than anything is actually VersaFine black ink. I believe it's called Onyx Black, and that ink is perfect for sentiments. I realize that my sentiments are always so nice and crisp when I stamp with that ink. Just please remember that this ink is pigment ink, and you want to allow it to dry before you do anything. Now, since I am showing you what I am making here and all these cards that I made using the same set from Hero Arts, my monthly hero kit for the month of November, I also wanted to continue with telling you about this dimensional glue, because I'm pretty sure for all of you who have never seen this, you are going to be asking questions about it. Now, this dimensional or 3D glue, the first time I saw it was in one of the videos that Lynn Van did. So Lynn is one of my crafty friends that I do Spellbinders Hop with, and Lynn actually uses different 3D glue, and that is the first time when I saw it. I'm gonna link her video down below where you can also check out what she uses. However, I was able to find something else on Amazon, and I'm going to link that down below as well. But since few days have passed, I definitely have to tell you that this glue works. You just have to let it sit. But the one that I used also works, and I will also put the link down below. So that is all that I made for you today. There's a lot of cards here, cool techniques. Pretty, when you think about it, these techniques are very basic. And I love to go back to my basics, and I really hope you like this and you give this a try. Try this awesome paper, XPress It. It's really cool. If you like Copic coloring, you're gonna love this paper. Also, try this dimensional glue. It works awesome. And again, don't forget to subscribe to Hero Arts, my monthly hero kit, and get those creative juices going. Thank you again for coming and supporting my channel. If you have any questions, please let me know. I am happy to answer, and I will see you soon with another video. Thanks.